All right, guys, so welcome back. This is kind of a part 2 video on now how to make money with affiliate marketing, but now we're going to be making money in different areas with affiliate marketing. If that makes kind of sense, okay? If you guys haven't seen the first part as far as what affiliate marketing is, I have a video up here as well as a link down in the description so you guys could check it out. What affiliate marketing is, how people start making money in 2022. Now, let's say, for example, that you actually started your affiliate marketing business. Now you're, making some money online. Maybe you haven't, maybe you started, whatever. But now I'm going to show you how you could actually branch out to different platforms, different areas where you can start making money as well as bringing in leads to your affiliate marketing products, if that makes sense, okay? Last video, we talked about peak tea, matcha tea, right, that I'm promoting. If you guys want to see that video again, I'll put it down in the description, and you could actually see that as far as how it also works out. But now I'm going to be showing you how you can promote on different other platforms and also get money on that, right? And use your skills that you already know and use, all right? If you guys are new to this channel, my name is David G. What I do is I talk about affiliate marketing, different ways to make money online here, financial freedom, okay? We're talking about affiliate marketing in these videos, how people make money in 2022. And honestly, you can basically sell anything and make money online. This is where it's at, okay? Crazy times from COVID that's happening to the war to everything. Today is March 8th, okay? So it's we're 3 months into 2022, and I'm going to be showing you how you can start making money with other platforms, okay? If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you like what's going on in this video, please hit that like button. It helps out with the algorithm. If you've gotten value, it really shows a lot of appreciation, a lot of love, and I really appreciate it, okay? Let's get into this video here. I'm gonna be showing you other ways. So you can kind of see here on this first page is my YouTube video, okay? What I do in affiliate marketing is I am in the wealth section, right? How to make money online. So I help people how to make money online, how do they start the programs that I use, right? If they want to continue on. And what I do is I talk about it in my videos here. You kind of see that I have a bunch of videos and I talk about ClickFunnels, right? I talk about leads. I talk about metaverse. Let's see, ClickFunnels, Facebook ads, right? So what I do is I help and I show how to make money online, how to start making money online kind of thing. Now, you see, where am I at? I'm at like 1,400 subscribers, okay? Once you get to a certain point on YouTube, YouTube begins to start paying you for people you've seen your views, right? Watching your videos, your content, and you start making money from your YouTube video, okay? So let me take you, let me see, where is I'm gonna be taking you to my dashboard. So I just got monetized on YouTube not too long ago. And what monetization is when you hit a certain point here on YouTube, meaning you have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, YouTube begins to pay you. They say, hey, you know what? You're at that point where we want to start putting ads on your videos and we want to pay you. And the more views, the more people that watch your videos, the more money that you'll start making, okay? So let me take you into, like I said, what is it? It's the 8th here. Let me take you into March. So I'm going to be taking you to March here. I think I have like a couple of dollars. I'm not even sure. I haven't really posted on here too much. Let's see. So I have $3.79 that I've made in March, right? In 8 days. That is not a lot, but of course it's going to grab traction. Can you see that one subscriber actually left? I lost a subscriber. I've only had 208 hours of watch time with 596 views. So that's not really a lot, okay? But just because it's not a lot doesn't mean it's not really money. So I've made $3, which I didn't make like a year ago, okay? So when you get monetized in YouTube, you get monetized by, again, having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Once you do that, YouTube begins to pay you. And what you do is you make videos whatever you're actually in, like in, for example, in the niche. I'm in the health niche where I help other people. I show them and help them how to make money online. And of course, I have my products in my descriptions. If people click on my descriptions, on my links, I make money off my affiliate marketing at the same time as how I'm making money through YouTube because they're watching my videos, okay? That is one way that you can actually be making money from a different platform from your affiliate marketing, okay? Again, like I said, it's not a lot. I kind of took a break a little bit in the beginning of the year. I had some stuff going on and I didn't really post as much, but it's still kind of going out there, okay? This is one way that you make money with your affiliate online business, okay? Not only making money, but you're also bringing in traffic. You're bringing in leads to your products where they go into your links, go into your actual system, and now you're making commissions off those products. So pretty sweet, right? That's number one. Let's go off to number two. Let's see what else I got here on number two. Number two, Udemy. I love Udemy, okay? If you don't know what Udemy is going to be an online platform where people can come and learn different stuff, okay? They want to learn how to start an affiliate marketing business. They want to learn how to start a business, how to make money, how to become a pilot, all this other stuff, right? They actually buy, let's go into, let me see. I think it's Udemy Business. I always get on my actual phone here. I guess I've logged out here. Let me log in real quick. Let this thing kind of load up here. Okay, so I finally was able to log in. I don't log into my computer here, but I do have the app on my phone, and that's how it automatically logs in. And I guess I forgot my password, so I had to go back and find out what my password is. But the second part is going to be Udemy, okay? If you have skills, if you have talent from different stuff, either from the stuff that you work, your online business, whatever that you can teach other people, you can definitely be making money with Udemy. If you look here on my dash here, I have a couple of courses here that I've built, you know, where I just create these courses, short little mini courses, and I don't have to do anything else with it. Just leave it there and kind of forget it, and I'd be making money. So far this month, I've earned, somebody's enrolled in my how to start a successful ATM business. I do have an ATM business, and what I do is I show others how to do it, right? And I made money, and also another course on learning how to fly helicopters. I am an EMS helicopter pilot. That's my full-time job, so I teach others in these little courses, okay? You can definitely do this with your online business. Let me see if I can go into my, let me see, where is it? Let's check out the revenue report. So these are just my stuff from what I've had, okay? And again, it's not a lot, but check it out. The more you do it, the more you continue and stay consistent, the more growth you're gonna put by putting out more courses, by putting out more information. And now you're like basically planting seeds in this area, okay? The more seeds you're gonna plant, there's gonna be more trees that are gonna grow, and of course, more trees either have more apples, more shade, more options, okay? So by March, like I said, it's only been 8 days. Yes, I said the 8th, I keep forgetting, okay? I've already made $10, and I haven't done anything else since like a couple months ago. Last month in February, I made $30, $36, $28, $120, okay? And this is just passive income, money that I make by just creating these small little courses. And what happens is people buy into these courses, they learn how to start an ATM business, how to start learning how to fly helicopters, and I make money off it, okay? Same thing with affiliate marketing. If you want to start teaching people, you know how to do affiliate marketing, right? Because you're here at this YouTube and you're learning, you went through the courses and the programs, create your own little program, your own little courses, okay? Where you teach others, and what you do is now you're making money, okay? Of course, in these videos, in these courses, you could also put your links in. Hey, if you want to learn more, if you want to do, get a hold of me, whatever, you put your links in, they can contact you, and boom, there's more leads coming into your affiliate online business. Simple as that. Easy, right? This is actually honestly one of the most passive income ideas that you could actually be making money, because what you do is you put in the work in the beginning, you create these courses, right? You create small little mini courses, and people purchase your courses. Of course, they rate you, they give you some ratings, and you make money off that. You make money off another platform. You bring them into your affiliate marketing, right? By learning how to start an online business, promoting products. You put them in your email system, and now you could actually promote them to other products that you have, right? So that's number 2. Awesome different ways. Let's go to number 3. And number 3, I just started this, and you see here that it's Fiverr, okay? I've started this. I've talked about this a lot in the past, but I haven't really done it. I just started this about a couple days ago. I haven't got any emails about anything about starting some jobs. But what Fiverr is where you can actually sell your services to other people, meaning other people are coming to you because either they don't know, they don't have the knowledge, they don't have the time, and they're gonna pay you to do these type of services, right? In my situation, let's see if I can go into my let's see, list. I'm still trying to learn. I'm still learning this here. So, no, stop. Okay, let's go into here. Let's go into dashboard. I think it's under dashboard. And what my gig is, let's see. Yeah, I don't have any orders yet. That's okay. I love it because you know what? I'm putting myself out there, okay? This is a gig that I have. Okay, I just did this about a couple days ago. 46 impressions, right? Not too bad. I haven't really spent a lot of time, but what I'm doing is I'm putting myself out there to different places. I'm not just narrowing myself and just putting myself in one spot, but I'm planting seeds over here in this area, in this area, in this area, and I'm basically expanding, okay? What I do is I help create, design your funnel sell pages on ClickFunnels. That is already that's what I do already, right? I create funnels for my affiliate marketing pages. Why not do that and get paid so I can do it for other people, right? Other people don't know how to create websites. Other people don't know how to create funnels. Maybe they don't even have time. They will pay you. You create them. This is already what you do. And you get paid, right? Another awesome way, okay? I haven't had any. I will actually, let's see. I will pretty much keep you in the loop here, okay? To show you my progress. I'm really not hiding anything, but kind of showing you my progress, how it's going. And that way you guys can see. And if you guys like this idea, so you guys could actually do it too, okay? Awesome, real quick, okay? So these are just 3 different ways that you can actually be making money by making money in other platforms, bringing in those people, right, into your system, into your email list, and promoting those products or whatever, right? First one, again, let's go back into my channel here, YouTube, okay? You're creating videos on showing people how to create sales funnels, how to create ClickFunnels, how to start let me mute this. What affiliate marketing is, how to start an online business, right? Put your links in, and now, you know, people are going into your links, going into your system. You're making money off those products. Now YouTube's monetizing and you're making money off YouTube, okay? 2 different ways. Second way, online courses, okay? You have skills. Everybody has skills, okay? Everybody has something that you could actually offer, right? So I talk about crypto. Looks like nobody's enrolled in that. That is okay because I have so much other stuff that I can actually do, right? I'm not just relying on that one. Airspace, weather, starting an ATM business, learning how to fly helicopters, right? Other people have actually entered that and I've been making money. So far, I've made about $10, I think, from this month just by creating these and just kind of leaving them on the side. So now I have these on the side. Okay, I could bring them into my email list. Obviously, this is ATMs and helicopters, so this is a different email list that I have, but it's not in the wealth. And now promote other products, right? I can become affiliate product for, let's say, helicopters, for aviation websites, right? I could promote these people that are coming into my programs. Hey, you're gonna need a headset, you're gonna need a helmet bag, a flight suit, maps, right? You're gonna need sunglasses. You can promote all these products, and when they buy, you make commissions, right? You bring them into your system here. And the third way is going to be Fiverr, right? Fiverr, it's basically you sell your services, okay? I also have another Fiverr where I teach people, again, how to start an ATM business. I have done a couple sales on that one. I gotta remember my passwords. I forget them all the time. I gotta write them down. But you know, you do this every day. You do this pretty much how to create sales funnels, okay? You create sales funnels for yourself. Why not get paid to do it for other people, okay? Just a couple of ways that you make money from your affiliate products or your program with other platforms. I don't want to actually let this video go super long. Quick, simple, so you can see. If you guys like these ideas, like I said, drop me a like down in the bottom. If you guys haven't subscribed, subscribe, because I do have some other videos on showing you other ways on how to make money from different platforms, as well as how to get other hundreds of leads into your program, okay? Awesome way how to do affiliate marketing, how to start making money online. Again, if you guys haven't hit that like or that subscribe, please do that. It really helps out. Really appreciate it. If you guys like this content, there will be some links down in the bottom where you can start learning how to do affiliate marketing if you guys haven't done it. I'm also going to put the videos from part 1 and also show you some other cool stuff. So let me know what is going on, guys. Appreciate you guys that are coming in, and I'll see you guys next time.